Praise be Jesus and Mary.
now and forever.
I did not come to call the righteous, but sinners. Brothers and sisters, the gospel today reminds us of our true condition as children of God. And the sad thing is, ang sabi nga, napakasakit, Kuya Eddie, is that we are all sinners. But the problem, as I have said, is not that of being one, o magiging makasalanan. The problem with most of us, including myself, most of the time, is we do not accept, or we are blind. We are blind of seeing ourselves as a sinner. Hindi natin, sabi nga, para tayong si April Boy Regino, di ko kayang tanggapin. We cannot accept that we are sinners. We can only say, makasalanan ako, I deserve the 1,000 hell. We can say it all over and over again. But in our words, in our thoughts, in our action, we do not profess it. We do not really acknowledge that we are a sinner in the sight of God. Because if not, kung alam nyo, tanggap po natin na tayo makasalanan, we become more and more humble and more in serving God. Because we owe Him. May utang na loob po tayo sa Diyos. Kung ang tingin po natin sa ating sarili makasalanan, lagi pong nasa isip at puso natin yung ating utang na loob sa Diyos for giving us mercy and grace. Para tayong mga Pharisees, why? Because instead of looking our own defects and weaknesses, we look on the defects of others. Kaya hindi tayo lumago. And is that a way of accepting, recognizing that we are sinners? No. We do not recognize ourselves as a sinner if we look on the defects and weaknesses and sins of others. And at the same time, we do not recognize ourselves as sinners if we are selfish. Sabi nga, lamang dagat. Tayong mga lamang dagat, selfish. We only think of ourselves. We do not care what others need. Wala tayong pakialam dun sa pangangailangan ng iba. Ang ating sariling pangangailangan lang ang nasa isip natin. We do not care. So yan po ang problema natin. We only speak words, but we do not really put it into our hearts. Hindi naman talaga natin isinasapuso yung ating acceptance of being a sinners. Kaya nga, sabi nga ni Lord, by their fruit you shall know them. If we really recognize ourselves as sinners, we do not put ourselves above others. On the contrary, if we recognize ourselves as sinners, we put ourselves below others. Sa ilalim ng iba. Pag sinabi sa iyo, sister, brother, no? No? Ang pangit mo, no? If you are really a sinner, no? If you are really a humble person, you will say, salamat, no? Salamat, sister, brother, at least, no? Nasabi mo yung ano ko, kung ano ako, no? We do not really, no? We are not, sabi nga, hindi po tayo nababagabag, sabi sa Tagalog, no? Hindi po tayo naliligalig when others pinpoint our defects. When others corrected us or others tell our defects, we do not experience tribulation in our hearts. Why? Because we know we are below, no? Katulad ni Mama Mary, di ba? My soul proclaims the greatness of the Lord. No? He does not go above, but He goes below of those of others. And the question is, ang hapot, sabi nga sa Bicol, ang hapot, ang tanong po sa inyo at sa akin, how many times do we consider ourselves lesser than our brothers and sisters? Kailan po natin naisip at naisapuso na tayo ay mas mababa pa doon sa ating kapwa na nakikita? Siguro mabibilang mo lang sa kamay. Because most of the time, you and me, we think of ourselves above others. Well, ganyan nga, di ba? Because our first parents, Adam and Eve, did the contrary. No? Si Adan at Eva, yun ang ginawa, di ba? Kaya sila nagturuan. No? Because Adam think of himself higher than Eve. Eve, the same time, think of himself higher than the serpent. No? Kasi si ganito, kasi sa ganyan, di ba? Kapag numalil yung mga bata, di ba? Pag sinabi, uy, ba't mo ginawa yun? Kasi si kuya. Kasi si ate. Kasi si nanay. Kasi si pra. No? We think of ourselves higher. And that is what? Pride. No? Kayabangan. No? That is not a way of accepting our being a sinner. No? So let us ask the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Today is the first Friday in honor of the Sacred Heart. No? Kita nyo, the Sacred Heart of Jesus is humble. It means that it goes not above but below our neighbors, our brothers and sisters. Let us ask through humility to the Sacred Heart of Jesus to think of ourselves not above our brothers but below them, as sinners, because as Jesus said, I did not come to call the righteous but sinners. Praise be Jesus and Mary.